بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Good morning, student. I hope you are doing fine. Today, we are going to read Unit 1 of New Oxford Modern English, page number 5 and exercise A, comprehension. I hope you are ready to see this video lecture with full concentration. So first of all, take out your books, stationary items, and listen to this lecture under supervision. This video lecture is for Class 2 Subject English, and it is the lecture number 1. The lecture number 1. Contents are instructions, introduction to the topic, explanation characters of the story, summary of the story, exercise. A. First of all, what is comprehension? Comprehension means understanding what we read. When we read a story or passage, we try to find the main idea and important details. We answer questions to show that we understand the text correctly. The characters of the story are Ahad, a caring boy who understands the true meaning of sacrifice. Ali, Ahad's brother. Mother, she is not feeling well that year. Father, works hard and takes care of the family. The summary of the lesson. The lesson tells us about a family during Eid al-Adha. The boys wanted to buy a goat for sacrifice. That year, their mother was not well, so the family had many responsibilities. Because of this, they could not buy a goat. The story teaches that Eid al-Adha is not only about buying animals. The true spirit of sacrifice means love, care, and helping our family and others. Let's move on to exercise A. Comprehension circle the correct answer. 1. What is more important for Eid al-Adha? A. Buying an animal. B. Spending money. C. The spirit of sacrifice. The correct answer is C. The spirit of sacrifice. Why did the family not buy a goat that year? A. The family had been really busy helping the mother get better. B. The family was buying a cow. C. The boys wanted to surprise their parents. The correct answer is the family had been really busy helping the mother get better. Students, I hope you would have understood today's lecture. Your homework is to write exercise A, page 5 on your notebooks. Thank you